Wash me?
Wash me.
Alright guys, so right now we're in the Mini, me, George, and Jonas. We're going to head over and check out Alex. Alex is Rx8. He's at work right now. He said pull through, come check it out. He finally got it running. Big moves, that car hasn't run in a while, so we're gonna go check it out.
Exactly. Or still I'll buy the extra shit.
5G.
Exactly. This is fucking. Honestly, you should buy just a drift beater here. One of these it says.
Oh dude, look at that.
Sir, yo, look at that.
Alright, bet. This is Alex's Rx8. It's all running good now. He's just giving it a detail. But be sure to see this thing on the channel. Dude, I miss the Rx8 life.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's sick.
Rx8s are those cars that are just left on.
Facts.
Yeah, it rips.
Dude, I bet. These things are so fun. Dude, I fucking love these things. Sound mint. Alright guys, we're going for a ride in Alex's Rx8. I hope I don't fuck this guy. I'm selling a Turbo 2 today. But we'll be there at 4:30. It's 4. We should be good. So we're gonna go for a quick ride along. Oh, like there's like carbon fiber too and stuff.
Yeah, you put all that.
That's sick.
You did the tints too. It's really nice.
Oh yeah. Feels like it's got good compression.
Yeah, exactly. Compression was, I think it was like 8.7 bars.
Damn. Holy shit. Oh, dude, the pop, yeah, it's sick. I've actually had 2 of these cars before. One of them was like my second car I ever had. I always love these cars, and this one sounds super good. He's got a full exhaust, decatted and everything, so this thing just sounds awesome. Coolest thing about Rx8s, dude, suicide doors in the back.
So fucking good when it took off.
Dude, it sounds sick.
You can literally hear it all the way down. I know. I want to hear flybys.
I know, this thing sounds sick. Alright guys, we're in the Mini. I gotta go grab that turbo. Like I said, I gotta sell it. We went for a quick drive in the Rx8. It was sick. So we're gonna go grab that turbo, sell it to some guy at Walmart real quick. And then Jonas has got a deal for some roof racks or something later. But we gotta go grab that turbo pretty quick, and then we'll go sell it. Shout out Nissan Q. Alright guys, just sold the turbo. So now this money from the turbo is going directly into the turbo build for the Miata.
It's also gonna go get us some lunch.
So yeah, just wait for the Miata turbo parts to start coming.